welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IAS Davangere. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE, NCERT and also for Karnataka state students. In this, the chapter 2 is fractions and decimals. In that, the division of fractions, exercise 2.4, the last line, that is nothing but the fourth line. Find the 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Here, two fractions are given. We have to divide it. We know that while dividing a fraction by a fraction, we have to keep the first fraction as it is, and it is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of this fraction is, while doing the reciprocal, the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. What we have to do? The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is, the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. That is equals to 2 2s are 4, 5 is 5. Okay students, here the first fraction 4 by 9, it is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The numerator will become the denominator, denominator will become the numerator. That is equals to 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, and you can simplify it as 2 divided by 2, 2 6s and 2 5s. Okay, next 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7, therefore it is multiplied by the reciprocal of 8 by 7. The reciprocal of 8 by 7 is nothing but the 7 by 8. That is equals to, here you can cancel here only 7 ones are, 7 ones are. The remaining is 3 by 8. Okay students, understood? This 7 7 is, both of them get cancels, ones are, ones are. And here mixed fraction is, mixed fraction gets converted into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is 7 by 3 into the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Okay students, here the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will goes to the numerator. That is equals to 7 5s are 35 divided by 9. Okay, there is no common divisor, keep as it is. Here first mixed fraction is there and again improper fraction. First mixed fraction is gets converted into the improper fraction. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 into the reciprocal of 8 by 3. Come on, tell me the reciprocal of 8 by 3. The numerator will become the denominator. The denominator will become the numerator. Therefore, this is 8 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 8. 7 3s are 21 divided by 8 2s are 60. Okay students, next 2 by 5 into this mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Here 2 1s are 2 1s are get cancels. The remaining is 3 by 5. Still 2 more problems are there. We have to multiply 2 more mixed fractions. How we are going to divide the mixed fractions? Yes, that is equals to 7th one. 7th 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 and 8th one 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. Okay students, here both are improper fractions. First convert these improper fractions to, both are mixed, here both are mixed fractions. Convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16 by by 5 divided by 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. Now here we got two fractions, isn't it? We have to multiply this fraction into the reciprocal of 5 by 3. Reciprocal of the 5 by 3. What is the reciprocal of the 5 by 3? For 5 by 3 the reciprocal is 3 by 5. Okay students? Here the numerator will become the denominator will become the numerator. 16 by 5 into 3 by 15, 48 by 25. Okay students, next to mix a fraction, convert it into the improper fractions. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5 divided by 5 ones are 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5. That is equals to 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 ones are get cancels. 11 by 6. Okay students, you can keep it into here mixed, we can convert this into mixed fraction, that is 48, 25 ones are 25, that is equals to 1, 23 by 25, like this you also can keep, and here also 11, 6, that is 6 ones are 6, that is 5, you can capitalize 1, 5 by 6, and here also you can write 21 by 16, ones are 16, 5, okay, that is 1, 5 by 16, 1, 5 by 16, okay, like this you can. Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos. Do subscribe, do share. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye students.